UTEPO 90 watts industrial PoE injectors provide 1 or 2.5 Gb RJ for 5 ports, supporting PoE and adhering to BT standard. With a maximum power output of 90 watts, each PoE port can deliver sufficient power to your devices. The products come with 2.5 Gb RJ for 5 ports over existing cables. They can provide network speeds of up to 2.5 Gbps, which meets the needs of high-speed internet access, such as an all-in-one PC, Wi-Fi 6AP, etc. By adjusting the DIP switch on the front panel, you have the flexibility to switch between 2 different modes, the standard and force PoE mode in standard PoE mode. The PoE injectors adhere to the BT standard and provide power to PD devices accordingly in force PoE mode. The PoE injectors consistently deliver 54 volts DC power. Both UPI 7302PSDW and UPI 7301PSDW have the ability to accept a wide range of voltage inputs. Therefore, you can conveniently operate these models with various power supplies based on your requirements. The products can provide power and data transmission for PD devices at the same time. Used with the PoE repeater, it can break through the 100 meters transmission distance limit and effectively extend the PoE network transmission distance. When used with a PoE splitter, it enables data transmission and DC power for non-PoE devices, resulting in cost savings and maintaining the original network setup. It supports relay alarm for power failure, cable link down, and PoE link off. The PoE injectors support DI in rail mounting, plug and play. Durable aluminum alloy design and wide temperature range make products perfect for harsh environment applications.